my name is Selvina Andika Putri. I'm from English Education Study Program Tarbiyah and Teaching Training Faculty at State of Islamic University, Raden, Intan, Lampung. And today, I want to explain to you about my learning media in teaching for young learner. Many things can start teaching for young learner. One of them is with this media. Using this media, we can teach many things. And I choose material about fruit. With this media, they will know how to pronounce words and can focus on their learning. So, to use this media, we can invite the student to play the game. The games is like a puzzle. Here there is a picture, some picture about fruit. Then student can spell about the letters. For how to make it the media, you can make a cube like this, then give a letters and include a picture about fruits. And for more details about how to make this media, you can see in the description box below. And in this lesson, we will give students how to spell a picture and know about the color and know about the taste of the fruit, and also know what is the benefits of fruit for our health. Well, let's start the lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Yes, I'm fine too, thank you. Today I'm very happy because I can meet you all. Okay, before we start our lesson today, we pray first. Pray, begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amin. Yes. Do you want sing a song with me? Okay, let's sing together about ABC. Do you remember about sing about ABC? Okay, start. ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Tell me of think of me. No. Repeat again. No, like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Tell me what you think of me. Are you happy? Okay. Who likes fruit? Yeah, Nanda. Do you like fruit? What fruits do you like? Watermelon? Then apples. Huh. Who likes fruits? Pia. Yes. What fruit do you like? Grape. And then jackfruit. Good. Okay. Didi, why do you like fruit? Yes, Miss, because the fruit is sweet. Ah, the fruit is sweet? What is this? Like apple, Miss. Okay, Didi likes apples. I think you all like fruit. Now, I have a game. Do you want to play game with me? Yes, Miss. Yes, I want to play a game. Are you happy? Happy. Okay, I have this. What is that? Are you do you know what is that? Cube, Miss. No cube. This is a puzzle about fruit. This is a puzzle about fruit. Yeah. Very good. So, this game you will arrange the letter about fruit, and here there is some picture about fruit. Anyone want to help me to random these letters? Okay, please Elizabeth, come here. Okay, random it. Finish Elizabeth. Finish, Miss. Okay. Who wants to play the game first? Anyone to play the game first? Yes, Nanda. Come here, please. Okay, I choose some picture about this. What is this? Do you know what is this? Apple, Miss. No apple. This is kiwi. Nah. Can you spell? Can you guess what is the letter about this fruit? Yes, Nanda. Okay. This is, come on everyone, this is kiwi. Good job, Nanda. Okay, now we want to repeat the names of fruits that we learned today. The first is kiwi. Okay, the first is kiwi. Kiwi. Nah, this is the letters of kiwi. Let's spell it. K-I-Y-I. K-I-W. Not Y. K-I-W-I. That's right. Kiwi. Okay, listen to me. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Okay, the next one is what is this? That's right, corn. Let's spell it. C. Okay, C-O-R-N. Corn. Give applause for our. The next one is this is. What is this? Lime. Yes. Good job. This is lime. Okay, let's spell it. L-I-M-A. Not A. Okay, repeat. L-I-M-E. Good. Lime. L-I-M-E. Lime. The last one is this is. What is this? Plum. Plum. Okay. P-L-U-M. Plum. P-L-U-M. Plum. Okay. Remember it. Corn, plum, lime, and what? Kiwi. Do you know what is the color of kiwi? What is this? Yellow. No yellow. But the color of kiwi is green. Repeat after me. Green. Now, the color of corn is yellow. Yes, the color of corn is yellow. The next is, what is this? Lime. The color of lime is green. Good, green, but the color of lime is dark green. Dark green. Yes. The next is the color of plum. Do you know the color of plum? Red. Not red. Are you sure about red? Good job. The color of plum is purple. Purple. The color of plum like a grape. The same like a grape. Okay. So I want to ask you all. Fruit has many benefits for our body. Do you know the benefit of fruit for our health? Yes, Tia. What are the benefits of fruit? Okay. Yes, fruit have many vitamins. Okay. Tia say the fruit have a lot of vitamins. Right, Tia? Good. Very good. Okay. Anyone know what are the benefits the benefits of fruit again? Yes, Tito. The fruit can make a smart miss. Yes, good. The fruit make us our smart. Okay, so fruit has many benefits for our health. Yes, many benefits for our health. One of which is there are many vitamins contained in fruit, so can make you smart. Yes, can make you smart. Okay, because time is up, and see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that's is my video. If I have many mistakes, I apologize. I'm so sorry about it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.